Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna fix that annoying MS gaming overlay pop-up so it actually stops interrupting your games. So first, let's disable the Xbox game bar. So to do this, simply press Windows plus I at the same time. This is gonna open the settings. From here you can then head over to Gaming, then Xbox, then Game Bar. Then turn off Open Xbox Game Bar using this button on a controller. That usually stops the pop-up right away. If it's still showing up, simply check for any pending Windows updates, because sometimes the overlay misbehaves if your system isn't fully updated. Another easy step is to simply try resetting the Xbox Game Bar up, and to do this, simply go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, then find Xbox Game Bar and click Advanced Options. Next, you can then tap Reset. Alright, so after these steps, the MS Gaming overlay pop-ups should be gone, letting you enjoy your game without any interruptions. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.